Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import SVG to FreeCAD. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now open the project. So I have it right over here, this dragon. Alright, but let's say I want to import also SVG file. So how we do that? We go here at the top to the file menu and then click on import. Find your SVG file, so this one right here. Alright, now what we need to do is select here SVG as geometry. So we need to select that and click open. And just like that, we have imported SVG file into our FreeCAD project. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.